Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a very simple step-by-step on exactly what to say in your emails. So if you're selling Clickbank products, promoting Clickbank products as an affiliate, or your own products, or thinking about starting a campaign, I wanted to talk a bit about what to actually say in your funnel, in your email. So a very simple funnel you can see in some of the previous videos that I've covered, so do check that out if you need ideas for a funnel. But for very simple, it will normally consist of an opt-in, so they opt in and add their email address, and you get the email address and then you send them emails. That will normally be emails that will give a free gift or a course, you know, telling them how to do something and get some form of result. And I wanted to help you with that and tell you a really good way of actually writing your emails that will get you sales. And the reason is that you will actually be helping people. So I'm going to run through it. If you're interested in making money with Clickbank or affiliate products and getting ranked on Google, do check out the link below. There's a bit of time left for the Clickbank mega site training, and what it will give you in a nutshell is exactly how to build profitable Clickbank sites and any other affiliate offer that you want to do and rank in Google. So it's a way that you can double your efforts. If you're doing pay-per-click, you can add this in. If you're wanting to do this and pay-per-click together anyway, it's a brilliant way of doing it because it will allow you to get up and running quickly with keyword selection, checking competition, writing the content, and start making some money. And what you can do is use a funnel in conjunction with this and make more money because you'll be building a list as well. So let me just walk you through this, what to say on your emails, and by the end of this video what you'll get is not just how to do it in one niche, but you'll understand how to do it in any niche because I'm going to give you the principles of why it works. Come and join us, check out the video below. I've put the link below to this page and you'll be able to see all the details and get in, so do check it out and I will see you inside. Okay, let's move on to the email. Let me just bring up here. So what I did was I just picked out a random Clickbank product. I picked out a popular one so it will help you. So obviously you want to make sure that you get a good niche. I'm not going to speak about that in this video, but you can see some of my previous over the last few days. You can see some how to pick niches and so on. This one's got a gravity of 149. Overall rank is 11, so very, very high, and it will make you $120 a sale. Let me just show you. So this niche is a simple way to maintain healthy digestion. My name is Samuel Bart. I'm 49 years old, and so on. Okay, and this is for people with really, really bad digestive problems. So just a word on targeting here. If you were going to target people, you'd probably target people with IBS and really bad conditions on that. You'd obviously aim for a subset. So what you want to do is, before we get into how to write the emails, remember this is worth writing down. In all your emails and the funnel to sell anything, you're only ever speaking to one person, and I don't mean collectively. Obviously you're speaking to more than one person, but your main person will be an avatar. You've probably heard that in marketing before. It means that your ideal customer is normally one person. So as you can see here, and they give you some clues here, you can see something mentioned here. I can't find it, but something mentioned here on the page. Like the guy that made this formula is 49 years old, but he did mention down here if you are between the ages of 40 to 60, and that was the sort of target. Oh, here we go. You can now support the health of your digestive system with 100% natural ingredients to enjoy a smooth gastric transit, no matter if you are 40 or 80 years old. Now this is interesting because notice it doesn't say 18 or 20, okay? Because the chances of you having digestive problems at that age is slimmer. It doesn't mean that you can't, but it means the main people that they're targeting between 40 and 80 years old with stomach problems. But what you could do is target medical stomach problems, but one of the simplest is IBS. So before you get into writing your emails, and we're going to go into it now, you need to know exactly who you're speaking to. So the way I recommend that you do that is, no matter what product, I recommend that you speak to a subset of people. Let me give you another easier example. Let's say you were doing a weight loss guide. You wouldn't just write a few emails on how to lose weight overall, okay? Because you'll be speaking to so many different people, and you're never gonna come across like you can help people. It's just gonna come across too general. But if you were speaking to someone that wants to build six-pack abs, or if you were speaking to someone over the age of 40 or 50 that wants to get a younger body back, or if you were speaking to someone over 60 that wants to maintain strength into their later years, then you're targeting a subset of people. It will be easier on your marketing anyway, and then when you write the emails, it's easier because you can actually help them. Okay, so the product I've picked is this one. There's just some pointers on who to target, but I've drawn up this little diagram, and I know it's not the best looking diagram, but I just want to give you a really simple way that you can write your emails. So what you want to do, and this will really help you to make money when promoting any product. If we were promoting that SinoGut product that I've just shown you, what you want to focus on is give them the free gift or give them the course that you're doing. If it's a PDF, obviously you want to have that in your first email. So assuming you've done that, what works really well is 3 or 4 emails that actually state a problem and give a solution. Okay, the main things that you're looking for is a real insight that they can't get anywhere else. Something that is like, oh, I didn't think of that. Okay. The easiest way to explain that one is more, let's say you're a Facebook ads coach, okay? And you're showing people how to use Facebook ads, and there's a lot of stuff out there on that. If you were able to provide an insight that no one else, they hadn't heard it before, and it's something different and something that they can use today, that's what sets you apart. So exactly the same with this product. You wouldn't just write them a general email saying, if you have IBS, one of the ways that you can start treating this is with home remedies. Search for home remedies on Google, okay? What you do is you give them an insight, something that they can try, and the more immediate that they can try it, like use it right now, and the quicker that they can get results, the more help it is, okay? Essentially, as long as you understand this, all you're doing in these first 3 emails is helping. Now that doesn't mean that you can't link to SinoGut at the bottom, and you can just have a little line that says, thanks for reading, I hope this helps. If you're interested in getting really fast results and checking this out, and it's got loads of rave reviews, obviously as a little disclaimer, make sure that what you're selling is above board, that goes without saying, but you can include, as long as the product's good, you can include a link to it at the bottom, okay? Main thing that you want to do in these first 3 emails is state the problem, and then give them a very definite solution. So if they have IBS, an example of that would be, there's different types of IBS. So I'm not going to get into that now, but you can get IBS-C, which is like constipation, and IBS-D, which is, you can imagine. And you can go over the different types, and then you could give a home remedy for each one, okay? And then you could give a very soft link, a soft pitch, if you will, to SinoGut. If you're just interested in getting quick results, this supplement has helped a lot of people. And then email 2, you're going to pick another problem that's the really big problem and help them with it and give them a solution. Email 3, you're going to pick a really big problem and give them a solution, and keep it all tied in to just that group of people that you're speaking to. In this example, IBS, okay? So you're actually helping. And the difference here is, instead of just sending them a load of emails saying SinoGut is the best thing since sliced bread and you should buy it today to get results, you're actually helping and giving them an insight and something that they can use to start seeing results. And ideally, what you actually want is you want them to get some form of result, or at least see that it could work. So even if they don't rush out and try your solutions, they can see, oh yeah, I didn't think of that, that's really good, and they're far more likely to then check out SinoGut and just think, you know what, I'm just going to buy this. So that's what you want to do on your first 3 emails. Let me know that makes sense. Obviously it changes depending on the niche, but this system doesn't change. For a very simple way of putting it, you want to keep it really simple, and you want to focus on helping people as much as possible. Then you've got down here email 4, and I just put this in there. What you can do is, once people have been through email 1, 2 and 3, is you can send email 4, which is literally a sales pitch, but not a really aggressive sales pitch or anything like that. You just say something in email 4 like, I hope you've enjoyed the help that you've received. I hope it's given you some results. If you haven't seen the emails, here's a link to each one of them, and I want to tell you about SinoGut. If you just want to get results and you want to do it as quickly as possible, SinoGut is and then you go into all the features and benefits and give them a link going through to the page. And here's the thing, using that particular system, you can get anywhere, which is on an average 5% to 15% conversions using that email. And the beauty of it is that email system, and the beauty of it is it's very, very simple. You could add to it as well, and you can actually go more in depth, so you can actually offer more help, whether it's one-on-one help for free, and then pitch the product off the back end of it. But if you're struggling with your emails and you're not getting conversions, that is a great way to up your conversions and a fantastic way for your first funnel. So do give that a go, and do check out the Clickbank Mega Site training. The link's below if you want to get in and you want more. This will show you exactly how to build sites that rank really quickly and start getting you some sales, and you can use that funnel in conjunction. There's more stuff in there on funnels as well, and there's stuff in there on pay-per-click, so do check it out. The link's below, but it is shutting very shortly because it's got a 50% discount. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.